Ano ang isang pagkakamaling nagawa mo na hindi mo pa napapatawad ang sarili mo? I wish... Oh, I've never said this in public. I wish... I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Pagkatapos ng Diyosa ng Davao at Diwata ng Taguig, dalawa pang nakakabighaning artista ang maghahatid ng Strange Frequencies sa atin. Ang isang makisig na Ginoo at isang marilag na dalaga.
Prinsesa ng palasyo.
Ay! Top Gomez and Alexa Miro.
Thank you po. Thank you for having us.
Itong ibang-iba itong Strange Frequencies sa nauna niyong pelikula na pinagsamahan, di ba?
Yes. Sobrang layo po.
Iba ang pagka-strange.
Iba ang pagka-strange. Dito sa Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital.
As yourself daw yung role din niyo.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Yes po, yes.
So, using your name talaga?
Yes, yes.
So what did you find out about yourself dun sa buong experience?
Na mabilis po ako matakot. Yun na-realize. Hindi talaga siya mababago. Mabilis po matakot sa mga nag-overthink ako. Feeling ko may multo talaga eh. Ganun.
Doon sa pinuntahan mo. Grabe, no? Oo, ganun ka rin, Alexa. May naramdaman
Mahilig sa horror yang si Alexa.
So, mahilig ka talaga sa horror. At
Yes,
naniniwala
po.
ka na may mga ganun.
Naniniwala po ako, yeah.
Oo.
Kasi may mga na-experience na rin po ako growing up. And kahit naman yung mga, kahit hindi natin mapatunayan kung totoo o hindi, I've come to respect it na eh.
Ano yung mahirap dun sa pag-shoot nyo na may camera kayo and all? Kakaiba to eh. Hindi ito ang nakasanayan ninyo. Ano yung mahirap sa pag-shoot dito sa Strange Frequencies?
Ito po, kukonect natin yung sagot namin ulit. Kasi we entered a hospital, a real abandoned, haunted hospital with 20 plus cameras.
Oh.
And just 7 people tapos nilock pa nila yung galing sa labas.
Ay.
So we had no choice. Finish or go home. We went home, but we finished it. The respect we have for the superstitious. So the ghosts and whatever beliefs each and every country have, maybe kung Taiwanese man yung multo, we still paid respects to them.
When a person goes up to you and says, ano gagawin ko pag nakakita ko ng multo? Anong sasabihin?
Pray. Pray. You have no power over that.
So, nagdasal talaga kayo doon?
Sobra po, every day. Every morning, every gabi. Bago kami mag-start, bago kami magtapos. Pauwi. Hindi kami makauwi nang hindi kami nagpapagpag po.
Correct.
So, every night, mga around 4 a.m., dumadaan kami ng 7-Eleven.
Ano yung nakakatakot na naranasan mo sa pelikula? Paggawa ng pelikula?
Yung hindi ko po nakikita yung nasa harapan ko. When it's pure darkness. Nawawalan kami ng camera ng ilaw minsan eh. Sometimes di namin makausap si Ken, di namin matawag yung isa't isa. And so, yun. The unknown is so scary for what's known.
Wala sa inyong, sa seven na characters, wala sa inyong may nadala?
Ayan.
Oo. Ikaw, nadala mo yun. Kasi ako may
pinasa mo
maalala
naman
ko
sa
dati,
akin.
nadala niya, binaon niya. Nadala-dala niya hanggang from Baguio, nadala-dala niya hanggang Manila. Feeling niya kasama niya.
Talaga?
Oo.
Ako po, buti naman mga 5 minutes ko lang yata siyang dinala. Yung mga 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Buti na lang.
Yeah. First shoot day namin yon. Tapos, everyone was already feeling something inside the hospital. So, parang lahat kami medyo angsty na, nagkakatakutan na, So, nung pauwi na kami sa loob ng van, nung may nasimulan na akong maramdaman, ayoko na sanang sabihin sa kanila. Kasi nga, everyone was already parang unsettled eh. Pero may naramdaman ako nung padaan na kami sa tunnel na palagi naming dinadaanan na araw-araw. Parang may nagsasabi sa akin o bumubulong sa akin na, huwag kayo dumaan dyan, huwag ngayon. Pero syempre, alanganin namang sabihin ko sa driver.
That's true. That's true.
So, tiniis ko lang. Tapos pagpasok po namin ng tunnel, ayun na, parang may umaakit na presensya na mabigat.
Katakot.
Really?
So, para siyang yung sa Shutter na movie.
Yes,
Ganon, parang may
yes,
sumasakay
Oo.
sa likod mo. Tapos, yung mommy nga ni Jane, ang unang nakapansin nito, tinatanong niya ako, Alexa, are you okay? Sinasabi ko lang, okay lang po ako, tita. Kahit hindi na. Kasi naninigas na ako. Apparently, parang nasusuka-suka na ako, na hindi na ako masyado makahinga. Umalis lang yung presence nung nagsimula na yatang mag-pray sila Jane and yung mom niya in the
good.
car, and they made the van stop, the driver stop, para ma-pray over ako ng driver.
May ganun talaga,
kami,
pray.
pati yung
Nagdasal
kabilang
kayo.
van, pumunta to our rescue. Nag-ikot kami ng isang buong ganun sa 7-Eleven and we prayed.
Okay.
And I guess we learned our lesson day one pa lang, not to challenge the spirits.
Saan ka mas takot? Sa buhay o patay?
Sa buhay.
Spirit. Sa buhay pa rin.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Ako, sa buhay din po.
Sa buhay pa rin.
Sa buhay.
Yeah.
Naniniwala rin kayo na may mga multo rin kayo sa buhay.
Lahat naman tayo meron.
No, about ghosting experiences.
Yes.
Have you been ghosted?
Of course.
You were.
Yes.
So how did you like confront that?
I just accepted. Akala ko nun, kasi nagsisimula pa lang ako sa showbiz career ko, and that someone is an artista.
Then,
Yeah. So akala ko nun, I had a thinking na parang ganun ba yung mga artista?
nangiiwan na lang.
Oh, nagpapaasa tapos iiwan ka
Oh
bigla.
my God.
Ay ko.
Pag nakita mo siya ngayon, ano sasabihin mo sa kanya? Here,
Wala. We're good. We're good.
You're okay.
Yeah.
Rob, ikaw naman. Have you
Ghosting?
ghosted anyone?
No.
Really?
Ako po yung nag-ghost.
Charing.
Talaga?
Ako kayo maniniwala sa
Alam naman
kanya.
natin yung kwento ni Rob, lalo pa pag
Ako yun.
December, may mga strange frequencies na
Oo nga.
dumadating.
Mataas yung frequency pag December. It's such a special holiday.
Ito naman, siyempre, Pasko ipapalabas itong Metro Manila Film Fest entry ninyo. Anong pakiramdam niyo yung Pasko ninyo ngayon? Masaya ba? Malungkot? O
Masaya,
halo?
of course. What's there to be sad about? Gotta keep your head up.
And people are always saying, all I want for Christmas is. So what do you want for Christmas?
What do you want? You first, ladies first.
Well, generic. Okay, good.
All I want
Ladies
for
first.
Christmas.
All I want for Christmas is...
Wag ba generic? Bakit wag generic?
Ano?
All I want
Something
for
that's
Christmas.
for you lang.
It's you.
Peace.
Ay, beauty queen. Ano ka? What would you want? What would you want? Yung para sa sarili mo.
Para sa sarili ko, this Christmas, all I want is a chance to choose myself.
Loyalty.
Ikaw, mamaya natin pag-usapan yung pag-off-cam. Yeah, a chance to choose myself.
Ako, all I want for Christmas is you, my daughter, of course.
Oo naman.
I'll give you cards. Can you choose a card and we'll just ask you random questions? Go.
Okay.
Go. Game.
Kung alam mong mamamatay ka na sa loob ng 1 taon, may babaguhin ka ba sa pamumuhay mo ngayon? It's connected to what I said about what I want for Christmas. Because in this day and age, of course, we have to consider what's best for everyone, not just what's best for us. But if I'm going to die na, I will definitely choose myself na wala nang takot, kung ano mang mangyari.
Support. Game. Next. You. Go.
Ano ang isang pagkakamaling nagawa mo na hindi mo pa napapatawad ang sarili mo? I don't know. Let's stick to what everybody knows na lang since it's gonna be on public anyway. I wish... I've never said this in public. I wish... I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Good. Okay lang yan. Okay lang. You didn't jump into things early.
Joke lang. Anyway, I wish I gave more. Maybe. Yun na lang. Maybe I wish I... Because I think at one point she felt hidden. So maybe I should have just made her more seen. Yun na lang.
Asa tinago mo siya?
Feeling niya, but hindi naman eh.
Sakit yun.
Yung mother na.
Yeah,
The mother.
right?
The mother.
Yeah. Because we didn't hide my daughter. Because we go to public places, churches, hospitals, everywhere. I just don't post it on
You
social
still love
media.
her?
What do you say?
Siguro
What do you
dahil
say?
nanay ng anak
What do you say?
mo.
What do you
Yun
say?
lang naman
Hindi
yun.
mawawala yung
Di ba,
concern
dahil
Di
namin.
mawawala eh. Yeah, and there's always gonna be that part of us that wish we can get it all back.
That's true.
There's
The
always
hardest part is thinking what could have been.
Yes.
and accepting the truth that you cannot. That's the
Give it
hard
back.
part. That's the hard part. But whatever you do forward
Yeah.
makes you who you are. It's not what you did.
Yeah.
It's what you do about it that counts.
Okay.
And so the future holds everything. So
So
why?
we'll wait for the next chapter.
Yeah, you know, we're all in this together.
Okay.
You guys are part of the story now. Kasi we all keep on talking about it. God.
Yes.
Pamiyak ka na dyan, ah.
Next, iiyak na yan.
Tapos na tayo dyan. We're
all
smiles and games now.
That's good. Next.
We're about
Go.
answers.
Anong takot o pangamba ang hinarap mo kamakailan lang?
Sagutin mo naman ang totoo.
Ano ba hindi?
O, ikaw
Huwag
naman
mo
daw
kong
mag-share.
hintayin na
Ikaw daw
magsalita
mag-share.
dito.
Pwede mo naman i-blind item yon.
Ano yung mga takot? Ano yung mga takot?
Meron akong hinarap nitong siguro end of January or early February. It was hard to face. It was unexpected. Pero hindi ko rin in-expect na maayos din siya eventually. But it made me strong. It was probably one of the hardest... Hindi ko masabi yung word. But yeah, kasi it brought me to a different kind of low na I've never experienced before.
You don't deserve that.
But yeah, but what he said naman, what matters is how you pick yourself up.
Yung takot na yon, yun yung na-experience mo na yon nung January, kinatatakutan mo yan na mangyari ulit.
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Bago kasi nangyari yung nangyaring yon, akala ko for the longest time that I was already prepared, that was what I wanted also. But when it happened, nagulat ako, masakit pa rin pala, mga ganun. So I came face to face with the fear that I didn't know I would have. But now that maayos na, I guess I just do everything selflessly without fear na. Yeah.
Pero Alexa, sa mga naririnig ko rin at namababalitaan ko, mahal ka ng taong yun. mahal na mahal ka raw niya. Ayun ang nakikita lang din nila. Nagulat daw sila kung gaano kanya kamahal. Kahit may mga issue pang mga nakapalibot doon, may mga chismis.
But she'll go on choosing herself. Di ba? Maganda yun.
Yes.
Game. Last card. Can you read it?
Killer question.
Oh my gosh. Kung matagpuan mo ang future self mo, ano sa palagay mo ang ipapayo mo sa kanya ngayon, sa'yo ngayon?
Future
Rob
self.
Parang ibang entry yan, ha?
Oo nga.
Oh, my future you. Pero strange frequencies pa rin.
No, Strange Frequencies, guys. Number
Sister
one.
company naman.
Strange Frequencies, number one.
Okay, go.
I've told myself a while back. What's one? If you're gonna do something, don't half-ass it. You'll regret. Sometimes you'll try to regret it. No, you can't. We're human. We're human. We make human error. But try not to regret it, or try to convince yourself that you did that for a reason, for the betterment of everyone else. That you were thinking not only for yourself, but for everyone's future, for the betterment of everyone. Sana. You just thought you could pull it through, but if you failed, it's okay. Try again. Stand back up, boy. Let's go.
Yeah.
Pero Alexa, parang yun din ba ang mapapayo mo sa future mo kung sakali?
Agree naman ako sa sinabi niya na you can't really regret something as long as you gave it your all.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Kasi that's what matters at the end of the day. You give it your all, whether or not you fail, whether or not you break, mabubuo ka naman ulit eh.
Correct.
I like her.
Ito, a girl na nagay part 2 promo yan.
And
Okay.
anong mailuluck forward nyo for next year? Ano yung magandang balita? Ikaw, alam ko may bago kang movie for Netflix.
Yes po, meron po. Ano po siya, produced by Mavex. Ang kasama ko po dito si Elise Hoson. Kaming dalawa naman yun na. Fresh din kasi it's also something I've never done. Meron isang eksena doon na kailangan yung abangan sa gubat.
Ang sarap daw ng shoot nyo sa Chile.
Sobra. Yeah.
Okay.
Malamig lang.
Thank you.
Malamig lang po.
Okay.
It's gonna be titled Best Served Cold sa Netflix.
But invite the people to your Film Fest entry.
Guys, this Metro Manila Film Festival, December 25, Strange Frequencies po. Panuhin niyo yan.
Samahan niyo po kami at ang buong crew ng cast ng Strange Frequencies Taiwan Killer Hospital this December 25 na po yan, mga kababayan.
At dahil mahal na mahal po namin ang aming guest ngayon at ang mga taga-Strange Frequencies, abangan po ninyo sa December 25. At tuloy-tuloy po ang aming pagsuporta sa lahat ng mga pelikulang kalahok sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Sa mga susunod po ninyo namin episodes ay mga ilan pa po mga stars ng entries po ng Metro Film Festival. Okay?
Thank you. At magbabalik pa po ang Troy
Troy
Katok
Katok
next week na nagsasabi,
Katok mga Pesters!